Just working on the old Swift. Old exhaust manifold out. It actually was much easier than I thought it was going to be. Old exhaust manifold versus the Trust one. And here again, that's the cat through the Trust one versus the stock one. And I cannot believe how more the Trust one flows. And I'm a bit worried because I assume it's not really going to be a great catalytic converter, so I assume it's going to complain about it, but it's been on lots of cars. They claim 10 horsepower, and I can tell you what, I've been blowing through them with a jet of air and stuff, and I can believe it'll do that. The only thing I can say is that I've still got the second cat. Mine might of course be blocked, so maybe it's worse than others. Nice, thanks Craig.